Around the nation, President Donald Trump continues to attack the judge overseeing the case about hundreds of migrants who were recently deported to Venezuela.
The judge ruled they were denied due process. ABC's Karen Travers questioned the president about that on Friday.
Mr. President, do you think you have the authority, the power to round up people, deport them, and then you're under no obligation to a court to show the evidence against them?
Well, that's what the law says, and that's what our country needs.
In this ruling on the migrants today, Judge Jane Boasberg said that President Trump's unprecedented use of the Alien Enemies Act does not remove the government's responsibility to ensure the men could contest their designation as alleged gang members, as the White House maintains, without providing any proof.
Even before today's ruling, the Trump administration asking an appeals court to step in as the president questions the impartiality of Judge Boasberg. This morning, another 200 Venezuelan nationals were deported by the Trump administration. And as you just heard, the president is using the Alien Enemies Act as justification to deport these people. But what exactly does that law do?
The 18th century law has been used 3 times before. The last time was during World War II. CNN's Ivan Rodriguez explains how the law works.
The Trump administration is using a sweeping wartime authority to quickly deport some migrants whom the U.S. has accused of being affiliated with the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua. Professor David Super says there are specific instances when the Alien Enemies Act can be legally invoked.
The Alien Enemies Act says that when the United States is in a declared war with another country, that the president may order nationals of that country removed from this country.
President Trump's proclamation states that Tren de Aragua, which his administration designated as a foreign terrorist organization, is, quote, perpetrating, attempting, and threatening an invasion or predatory incursion against the territory of the United States. Also, that this is occurring directly and at the direction, clandestine or otherwise, of the Maduro regime in Venezuela. But this argument is being challenged.
We're not at war with Venezuela. We haven't declared war on them. They haven't declared war on us.
Trump has said he wants to use the Alien Enemies Act because he believes it gives him tremendous authority, mainly because detentions and deportations under the law do not need to go through immigration courts.
They simply round people up, put them on a plane, and send them to El Salvador to be locked away, perhaps forever, without giving them a hearing.
Some families are insisting their loved ones are not members of Tren de Aragua and should have never been deported. For now, the legal battle continues over use of this wartime law. In Atlanta, I'm Ivan Rodriguez.